Hello, Theory. Do you copy 161, Poland Division?
Roger, 135, sounding good here in Pennsylvania, man. Hope you have a wonderful morning. Hope all goes well. Your friend number 25, operator Terry, Central Pennsylvania.
Hello, Theory. Do you copy 161? My name is Lucas. Good morning.
Frank 73, brother.
Hello, Theory. Do you copy 161, Poland Division? My name is Lucas. Good morning.
161 Poland, I didn't get your name, but top of the day, brother. Number 25, Terry in Pennsylvania. Good morning, my friend.
Good morning. My name is Lucas. Hello, Theory.
Wonderful day. Good Sunday coming up here, number 25, Terry, Central Pennsylvania.
Theory. My name is Lucas from Poland. Good morning.
Morning, Lucas. Lucas, your signal's fine, mate. Lucas, sounding good in Pennsylvania, Lucas. Good morning, across the pond. New Jersey, Northeast Ohio, USA. 73, Lucas, have a great day, number 25, Terry, Pennsylvania.
Thank you very much, Theory. Sorry, love propagation, my friend. 5-5, 1 moment 5-9. Very good propagation, my friend.
All right, 73 is Lucas. Have a wonderful day, Lucas. Take care, number 25, Terry, Pennsylvania.
Okay, thank you very much. 7-3.
All right, my friend from Poland, 73. All right, copy all your, there's someone in Germany out there waving his hand at me in Pennsylvania. Top of the day to you, my friend, 25, Terry, Pennsylvania.
Good morning, USA. Good morning, people. South Poland. Hello, good morning.